Welcome to this lesson where we are going to place in fully functional form in our website. So for that, let's head to our browser and go to Google Drive. If you don't have Google account, go ahead, create one and come back later on. So let's go ahead to Google Drive and create new Google form. So if we look at our design here, we have two input boxes and one text area. So the first question, let's delete this title for question and change the type to text and add another item, another text item, and one more paragraph text. Now we can view this form live. As you can see here, we have form, and let's just test it. Write test at test.com, and this is test. Submit it. Go ahead to our Google Drive and view responses, save, and here we have the time for it, the name of the person, the email, and the message. So this is working okay. Next thing we're going to do is we want to be notified at our email when user submits a form. So let's go ahead in this response page, go to tools, notification rules, and let's see notify at this email when a user submits a form, and notify me with email right away. Save it. Done. Let's go ahead, open up again this form live, and let's write John at john.com, and message will be this is John. Submit, and if I view my email, I have an email from Google Docs, and if I open up this response page, I can see here we have all the responses. So the next thing is we need to get that code for our website. So go ahead, let's go to this form, view live it again, and let's right click somewhere here, inspect the element, and let's find form with an ID of SS form, and just right click on it and copy the code. Let's head to our index.html file, and right below contact list in our contact me section, let's paste it in. So as you can see, we have a bit of mess here, but we will clean this code up real quick. So let's go ahead, highlight it, indent all of this code. Whoops. Indent it. Next thing is bring this to new line, then also this unordered list, let's bring it to new line, then this div. So let's hit enter here, and let's just go ahead, highlight all this code and indent it. Then next one is this div right here, bring it to new line again, and bring this div to new line and all the code inside of it. Let's indent it. Then again, let's find this div right here and do the same thing with it. Indent the code in it. Then this input, let's indent it. Also this input right here, let's delete the space in between those and indent that div. Input. Let's do the same with this one. Bring this one to new line. Then this table. Then this table body element, table row, table data, indent these ones, delete the space here. So far it looks okay. I'll place a comment here. We'll say end of form. Next thing is let's delete these required messages because we don't need them. Delete it, delete this one, and also this div right here. Save it. We can go to our browser, to our website, refresh the page, have a look at it. Let's test it. So let's write Richard mail at mail.com. This is me, exclamation mark. Let's submit it. And if we look at our email here, we have that response again. See, Richard mail, this is me. And the last thing we're going to do is, as you saw, when user submitted a form, he or she was guided to this Google page, and we don't want that. So I will go back, refresh the page, and let's go ahead and fix this problem. Let's place a script element. Its type will be equal to text/JavaScript. And inside of this we will have variable called submitted. It will be equal to false. Then let's place right below the script iframe, And inside of this, first of all, let's place its name. We'll call hidden iframe with the same ID, hidden iframe. And let's set its style equal to display none, because we don't want it to be displayed on our page. Then let's head to this form, and first of all, let's change the target to this iframe, the ID of it. Let's just copy it, paste it in, and next thing is when the user submits a form, we want that submitted variable to be equal to true. And here let's place an onload attribute, and when this iframe will be targeted, it will check whether that submitted variable is true. So if submitted, and if it is true, and if user submits a form, remember it is going to be true. So if it is true, then we're going to refresh the page, and we do that by writing location.reload. Save it. Let's go ahead to our website again, refresh the page, and let's write, I don't know, my name, made up email, and this is me, me again. Submit, and as you can see, the web page is being reloaded. So that is going to be it for this lesson, and this is going to be also it for HTML, because in the next lessons we will turn to CSS. We're going to get the styling right so that web page looks like this and not like this. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. See you there.